Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So you've come here, you're watching this video to find out what in the world is an exploratory cleaning or startup. So the best way for me to quickly describe this is an exploratory cleaning or startup is pretty much a complete physical for your pond or water feature. We will come in, and if you're doing the cleaning, we will come in, we'll clean the pond, we'll go over the entire system, we'll make sure the pump's functioning correctly, make sure your plumbing's good, make sure the liner's in good shape, check your fish, check your plants. We will literally check everything from top to bottom to make sure everything's running well and efficiently. And if it's not, we're going to make suggestions. We're going to recommend repairs. Maybe a repair needs to be done immediately for the pond to function correctly. We're going to find that stuff out for you. A startup, an exploratory startup, is pretty much the same thing, except we don't drain the entire pond. We don't even drain the pond at all. We'll come in and check your filter systems, clean them, check your pumps, check your plumbing. We'll check the liner on the edge if you have liner. We'll do a complete inspection of the pond and then give you and then for both of them, we'll give you an entire report about your pond. We'll give you the type of pump, the amount of flow, the type of tubing, your check valve if you have one, your skimmer, your filter system. We'll give you a complete report of all the equipment you have, and in that report, we'll make suggestions as to what you should think about doing in the future to make it easier and more enjoyable for you, or if there's anything that really needs immediate attention, we'll certainly let you know. And the other huge thing we do with both exploratories, the cleaning or the startup, is we will actually sit down and spend time with you and go over your system with you and go over the maintenance that should be done on a continuous basis for you to continue to enjoy your pond. That is our main goal, is to give you peace of mind and for you to enjoy your pond or water feature for years to come. So all ponds are completely different. They aren't necessarily constructed the same components are not used, and that's kind of where we come in. We've seen pretty much everything, and we can figure it out. And if it's something we haven't seen, we will figure it out, and we'll let you know what needs to be done to maintain that piece of equipment or whatever you have that we found. So why would you need or want an exploratory cleaning or a startup? This is a great service for new homeowners that have just purchased a home and have a new pond or new water feature and they know nothing about it. It allows the professional to get in there, check everything out, and then we can report to you and give you a full report. And like I said, go over everything with you. It's also great for pond owners that have had a pond for a while and just need everything looked over really, really well. And then we'll provide a report and suggestions too to help you enjoy your pond on a continuous basis and for many more years to come. So I hope I've explained what the exploratory cleaning is. There is more information in the blog, so check that out. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below. It says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions at all, please make sure you click the link that says Weekly Ribbit Question Submission. Click the link, add your pictures, add your question, and we would love to answer your question. And don't forget to like the video for us and subscribe to us on YouTube and or Facebook. We'd really appreciate that. Have a wonderful day and have a great week.